brains or mutton brain masala is a much requested recipe. Now this dish is actually quite spicy, but it simply melts in your mouth. It is loaded with nutrients and it's extremely flavorful. So let's get started and check out the recipe. The first step is to cook the brains. Take a pot of water. I have 4 goat brains that I've washed and cleaned up nicely. So once the water is nice and hot, gently place the goat brains into the hot water. So these are very, very delicate and soft, so make sure you handle it very carefully. To this I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Cook the brains for about 5 minutes. Turn off the stove. Remove it from the water and place it on a plate. If you look at the brain closely, you can see the veins that are nice and dark. Now I'm going to remove all the veins from the brain. Cut the brain into large pieces. Take a kadai, pour 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. To this add 1 cup of thinly sliced shallots. Next add 1 large green chilli finely chopped, a few curry leaves, fry the onions till they are nice golden brown in color. To this add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, to this add 1 small tomato finely chopped. To this I'm going to add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon salt. To this I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water. Cook till the tomatoes are nicely mashed and the raw smell has gone. You can see the oil has separated. Now I'm going to add the cooked brain pieces. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pepper. Adding about quarter cup of water. Close and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. The brain masala has been cooking for about 5 minutes. It's all come together very beautifully. You can check for seasoning at this point. Finally, I'm going to garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. If you decide to make this recipe, make sure you buy the goat brains fresh and make it immediately. And also, this dish goes extremely well with steamed rice, rasam or sambar. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frame.